Mama Duck with her babies. Hello, Mama Duck. Can we go in? How many babies does she have? It's okay. Oh my goodness. Look at. There they are. Oh my gosh. Well, come on, Mama Duck. It's all right. I won't hurt you. I'm gonna just... How many is she protecting? It's hard to see against the sun.